careerAdvice.com. Click on Getting Started. In the Get Started page, you would find Download for Mac button. Click on the Download for Mac button. Now, Docker is available for Mac for free, and it requires Apple Mac Sierra 10.12 or above. I am having Apple Mac OS Mojave, which is higher than this. So I will show you. So mine is 10.14.2, so which is greater than 10.12. So this system meets the requirement. I'll click on that get Docker link to get the DMG. I'll store the docker.dmg in my desktop, and now it has started downloading it. So it's half a GB DMG file, so it will take few minutes to download. Let's wait for the download. So here it's written fastest and easiest way to get started with Docker on Mac. Now there is stable version and edge version. So now right after the downloads complete, here are the instructions. So we need to just double click and follow the instructions in the installation wizard to complete the installation. And then we will see here the Docker toolbar, and which is a whale icon, and which shows Docker is running. And then we can run various commands to start Docker instances. So here in this page we will find all the installation instruction as well. For Windows, that's also available in another lab, and there's a free lab. So let me see what's this free lab. So these are exercises and tutorials to get hands-on experience with Docker. And this is designed for system administrators, IT professionals, and developers. And this can be run through browser. And we need a Docker installed for this. And in case of official training, deep dive training, then there is training.docker.com. There's a Docker community. So Docker has a lot of vendor community. It's a big open source community and community of users. So in case you are running on any issues, finding a solution is very quick, fast, because you can Google search for the errors, you can look into various forums, and you will find plenty of Docker experts who will be willing to help you or who have experienced similar problems and they have shared the resolution steps. Now it's about to complete, just only less than 2 minutes remaining. So other than this, for those who do not know what is Docker, Docker is a container solution, and it can help you isolate all the dependencies needed to run your software. into a Docker instance, which is like a virtual machine. It's a very lightweight virtual machine which runs a very thin kernel, which is based out of Linux, and you can span multiple instances in your systems, or you can span multiple instances of Docker in multiple servers and configure them to talk to each other over the network and mimic your entire data center in your development systems, which could be in a single machine or it could be on multiple machines. So now my docker.dmg is downloaded. Now, once it's completely downloaded, I will double click. So let me go to my desktop to see its download location. Now I'll double click on this to launch the installer. So it is launching the installer, opening the DMG file. And once it is finished, then it will launch this Docker. I just have to drag and drop this to my application folder. And I have done this. So now let me try this. Okay. If it was not done properly. Yeah, now it's copying Docker to applications, and that should be enough to install. So after extracting, it is 1.84 GB of software. I will just eject this. I would have got this installed. So now let me verify this by running it from my applications. So I go to Launchpad. I'll type here Docker and I'll see this. So I'm launching Docker for the first time. So it's verifying Docker, and then I should see a whale icon. So it's saying it's an app downloaded from internet, not from the app store. Just giving a warning. I said no problem. Open it. So we are really happy to have you, and I say welcome to Docker Desktop. I click next. So it needs some privileges to install networking components. I have to enter my administration password for the system. Now it should be good to install the components. Yeah, I see. Okay, I do have a Docker ID and I have an account in Docker Hub as well. Now Docker Desktop is starting. It's not yet started. So it's saying Docker Desktop starting. And is now up and running. So it's saying, you open the terminal window. Okay, so I will open another terminal window. I say new window because in the old terminal window I may not have. So Docker will get detected. I say Docker version and I see that okay, Docker is there. And I say Docker info. It gives me the details of my installation. So it's pretty quick and pretty straightforward, very little manual step, and you can do it very fast. So I would not have any Docker images. So if you have, you can see, okay, now this is just a new installation. I don't have any Docker images. So let me try hello world program of Docker. So there is no Docker image called hello world. So it's trying to pull from the library. The Docker image hello world is available in public repository. So it has been downloaded. So now if I say Docker ps, okay, I don't see any container running. So I need to say, so my previous command was docker run. Now I would try again. So hello from Docker. So it prints hello from Docker. So this command runs, prints the message, and then the container exits. And now I can kind of explore more functionality of the Docker. So this is about installing Docker. Now I downloaded Docker from docker.com, ran the DMG, installed it on my macOS, and then verified the installation. Now after the installation was completed, I launched the terminal and ran various commands and created hello world Docker instance, and now saw that it was running successfully. Thank you.